The cat dashed its tail. A. Wagged. B. Wag C. Wagging. I dashed to the store yesterday. A. Go B. Went C. Goes. She dash a book right now. A. Read. B. Is reading. Reading. They dash to the beach every summer. A. Go B. Goes. C. Went. He dash his car. A. Have washed. B. Has washed. C. Was washed. We dash to the party tonight. A. Are going. B. Went. C. Go. The baby dash loudly. A. Cried B. Cry. C. Cries. I dash a cup of coffee this morning. A. Have. B. Had. C. Has. She dashed to the gym twice a week. A. Go B. Goes. C. Went. They dash on the phone for an hour. A. Talk. B. Talked. C. Talks. He dash a new bicycle. A. Bought. B. Buy. C. Buys. I dash my keys. A. Lost. B. Lose. C. Losing. She dash a letter to her friend. A. Wrote. B. Write. C. Writing. The sun dash in the east. A. Rises. B. Rise. C. Rose. We dashed dinner at home last night. A. Eat. B. Ate. C. Eats. He dash his homework before going to bed. A. Had finished. B. Has finished. C. Was finishing. She dash a good student. A. Is B. Are C. Am. They dash the television every evening. A. Watch. B. Watched. C. Watches. I dash a new dress. A. Wore. B. Wears. C. Wear. He dashed the window. A. Broke. B. Break. C. Breaking. My mother dash a delicious cake. A. Bakes. B. Bake. C. Baking. They dash football in the park. A. Played. B. Play. C. Playing. She dash a beautiful song. A. Sang. B. Sing. C. Singing. He dashes bike to school. A. Rode. B. Ride. C. Riding. We dash a big house. A. Live in. B. Lives in. C. Living in. She dashed to work. A. Drive. B. Drives. C. Driving. I dash a lot of books. A. Read. B. Reads. C. Reading. He dashed the race. A. Won. B. Win. C. Wins. She dashed the test. A. Pass. A. Passed. C. Passing. They dash a new car last month. A. Bought. B. Buy. C. Buys. He dashed the door. A. Opened. B. Opens. C. Opening. I dash my mother's cooking. A. Love. B. Loves. C. Loved. She dashed to the store. A. Walk. B. Walks. C. Walked. They dash a great time at the concert. A. Had. B. Have. C. Has. He dash a letter to his friend. A wrote B, write C, writing. We dash a good time at the party. A have B, had C, has. She dash a new phone. A buy B, buys C bought. He dash his car. A washed B, washes C, washing. I dash my friend for a long time. A have not seen, B had not seen, C did not see. They dash on the sofa. A is sitting, B are sitting, C am sitting. He dash a lot of friends. A have B has C had. I dash to the music. A listen, B listens, C listening. She dash her teeth. A brush, B brushes, C brushing. He dash an email to his boss yesterday. A send, B send, C sent. The cat dash on the mat. A is sleeping. B are sleeping, C am sleeping. We dash to the party. A are going, B were going, C go. She dash a good book. A is reading, B are reading, C am reading. He dash an email to his boss yesterday. A send, B send, C sent. I dash my keys. A have lost, B had lost, C was losing. They dash television every evening. A watch, B watched, C watches.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.